Is your Cadillac XT4 constantly dropping your Apple CarPlay connection? Let's walk through the steps to get you back to a stable link. Data shows that 80% of intermittent CarPlay drops are caused by poor quality or worn-out charging cables. Before you visit the dealer, follow this diagnostic path to rule out common culprits. Start by inspecting your cable for damage and cleaning the debris out of your phone's charging port with a non-conductive tool. If the hardware is fine, try deleting the phone from your Cadillac's Bluetooth and CarPlay settings, then repairing it from scratch. Sometimes the infotainment unit itself needs a soft reset to clear out background cache issues that interfere with the handshake. Most issues are solved by switching to high-quality cable, but if the port feels loose to the touch, you may have internal hardware damage. This chart shows how frequently we encounter these issues, highlighting that software and cables are rarely the cause of deep hardware failures. If you still face drops, try a different phone to isolate the problem, and if it still fails, it is time for a professional diagnostic. Keep these items in your glove box to troubleshoot on the go without needing any heavy automotive tools. Remember, the simplest solution is usually the right one, so don't overcomplicate the fix until you have tried a high-quality cable. If this helped you reconnect your XT4, hit that like button and subscribe for more Cadillac maintenance tips.